Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to schedule post on Instagram. So as you can see right now, I'm using Instagram personal account. So in personal account, we can't schedule any post. To schedule post, we have to convert our personal account to a professional or business Instagram account, and here's how to do it. From your Instagram profile page, tap on this hamburger menu, and here scroll down until you see account type and tools option. Just tap on that and tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue and select a category from here. And are you a creator? You can select any option from here, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully turned on professional account. Okay, now it's time to schedule a post. So tap on this plus icon, select post, and now I'm going to selecting a random photo from my gallery, tapping on next, and here scroll down and tap on advanced settings. Under advanced settings, here you will find schedule this post option. Just enable schedule this post option and select the time or date to schedule the post, and just tap on done. And as you can see, I've successfully scheduled this post. Now tap on back and just tap on share, and that's it. I've successfully scheduled a post on my Instagram. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.